Hey guys, Nifty Thrifty Girl featuring a Kenmore model 1941 convertible machine. This is a mid-70s machine. It's still all metal. It's still all mechanical. There's no computerized or electronic parts. This machine can be serviced, cleaned, and the whole kit and caboodle can be done at home. You should never have to take this machine to a shop. It does have both regular and stretch stitches built in. This model does not use cams. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 built-in stitches, and you just go from regular to stretch just by flipping this little lever right here from red to white. Everything is color-coded on the machine, so it's really easy to tell what stitches you're going to have according to what dot you have your setting on. Your bobbin winder's on the top. It is a 1-amp motor, and it's a low shank machine, which means that accessories and presser feet are easy to find and very reasonably priced. If you want to access your bobbin area without taking off the whole deck, there's a little button here on the side that you push, and this little panel lifts off, and this lets you access your bobbin area as well as your feed dog drop here on this little lever. Now, to access your free arm, you push this button right down here on the bottom, which loosens it, and the whole deck slips off the end, and then you have access to your free arm. This is nice for shirt sleeves, pants legs, and small projects that you might need to sew. It does have an interchangeable needle plate. The zigzags on it's now. The straight stitch needle insert is in the box, and we're going to slip the deck right back on as fast as we removed it. Clicks right on there, and then you're back to a flatbed sewing machine. It sits on the tabletop. There are cabinets out there that these install into, but you would have to find a specific free arm cabinet, and then it mounts to the cabinet from the bottom. This machine does come with the external buttonholer attachment, which includes your front adapter plate with the gear and your buttonholer attachment, as well as the 2 templates. It comes with bobbins, screwdrivers, and a zipper foot as well, and all that in the original Kenmore box. You also get the original instruction manual in pretty good shape. She's serviced and ready to go, just like all of our machines always are. And right now we're on straight stitch. This machine sounds really good, and of course this is one of the Kenmores that has the very nice high presser foot lift, so you can get your project underneath the foot without snagging your fabric. Now I'm going to switch over to a multi-point zigzag. We're still in the red, which means we're still doing a regular stitch. Oh, it might help if I would turn the stitch width. It's a multi-point zigzag. 3 left, 3 right. And then we'll do a regular zigzag. This has a nice wide zigzag. It's about 4 millimeters, which is wider than pretty much any singer that you'll buy if you like and need a wide zigzag. And now we're going to switch to stretch. And of course, like I said, everything's color-coded. You want to have your stretch stitch all the way over on the longest stitch width you can have on 6, and you always want to have it on the widest. So we're going to do this one. And just to do one more, do this one. stitches there. This is, go back to regular stitch. This is 5 layers of denim. And it's a pretty thick denim too. Size 16 needle. This machine will take up to an 18 and as small as a size 9. As you can see, it has no problem with the denim. Nice stitch top and bottom there. This is 3 layers of just a domestic leather. These machines aren't made to do thick leather like wallets, horse reins, belts. They're just not made for that, and you will tear up the machine. But as you can see, this regular domestic leather, it does a really nice stitch. It would be a little better if you had a walking foot to where it wouldn't be so sticky on the feed dogs. A walking foot does help with projects like that, but still does very nicely without. And that is the convertible Kenmore model 1941 with external buttonholer and instruction manual. My email is under the video if you have any questions, and you can subscribe to my videos by clicking on the blue NTG in the upper right hand corner of the video. Thanks.